Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change your operator in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. To do that, select operators at the top of your screen in the main menu of the game, right here. And then, in order to switch the operator for both JSOC Team and the Guild Team, you have to click at the operator that you want to use and then confirm your choice by clicking on one of the available skins for this operator. This works the same way for both JSOC Team and the Guild Team. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like to consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.